friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DESTASH. I'm doing a little spring cleaning in my craft room, making room for some new supplies, and also trying to raise some money to go to my writers conference next month. So I'm going to be selling off some items at some very good prices, and hopefully you guys will take advantage of it. So before I get started, I'm going to go over just a couple of rules. First of all, this is only for US residents. I'm sorry, but international shipping prices are ridiculous, and it's just not worth it on one or two items. So you're better off shopping at one of the bigger stores who can offer you a discount on the shipping. So US only. Also, please leave a comment on this video. Do not send me a private message. Do not email me. Do not contact me in any other way. It gets so confusing, and I try to do first come first serve, and the only way to know who's first is to watch those comments come in. So please leave a comment in down below and include your email. I need to have an email address to be able to invoice you, so please include that in your comment. The invoices will be coming from Whimsy's Jewelry Boutique, which is a very old shop that I used to have when I made jewelry, but anyway, that's what my PayPal address is using. So you have 24 hours to make that payment. If not, those items will go up for grabs for the next person on the list. And please check the description bar below the video for updates. I won't have time to respond to comments that say what's left. I will update as often as possible. I'll have an entire list of everything that's for sale in that, and as people purchase those items, I will remove them. Okay, so whatever is in that description bar is what's left. Okay, and I'll update that as fast as I can. As far as the prices, if it is just a stamp sheet only, it's $12. Stamps with a half sheet of dies is $20. Stamps with a full sheet of dies are $25. I've got one half size stamp set with a bunch of dies, that's $12, and I've got one half size stamp set with one die, that's going to be $8. I've also got some standalone dies and some die sets, and those are going to be priced individually, and I'll get to that after the stamps. So without further ado, we're going to jump right in. And by the way, those prices do include shipping, so all your packaging and shipping is included in that cost. Okay, so we're going to get started. Alright, so the first couple sets are from Mama Elephant. First of all, we have Carnival Cupcakes, which feature these adorable critters and some cupcakes and some smaller cupcake toppers. That does come with a full sheet of dies, so that is going to be $25. I have the Carnival Toppers. That one comes with a half sheet of dies, so that will be $20. I've got Central Park, and that one comes with no dies, so that's going to be $12. I've got Space Bears, that comes with a half sheet of dies, so that'll be $20. And I've got Smitten with some really great sentiments, and that one has no dies, so that will be $12. Next up is Lawn Fawn. I've got Extra Special Easter with these adorable little bunnies and the little Easter baskets and jelly beans, and that comes with a full set of dies, so that is $25. I've got Plus One, which is a welcome baby set. That comes with no dies, so that'll be $12. I've got Love and Breakfast, no dies, so that'll be $12. And this is the one half set that has the dies with it, so this is going to be $12. Beep Boop Birthday. I've got a bunch of sets from Paper Smooches. This is Bitty Bungalows. Super cute little home set. This one really is a full sheet of dies. I've just got them inside other ones, so this will be $25. Paper Smooches Cool Dudes. This is a half sheet of dies, so $20. Joyful Greetings. This is a really cute Christmas set with that really cool font that Paper Smooches is known for. That'll be $12. The Christmas Sampler, another great set for sentiments, $12. Spiritual sampler. Really great set that has a lot of good uses. That's going to be $12. Sentiment sampler. This one has a really good mix of all kinds of different sentiments. This is a really great variety. $12. And then Paper Smooches Many Thanks, $12. These last few stamps are just a mix and match, just a few different companies here. So I have one from Your Next Stamp called One in a Chameleon. Super cute set. I've made several cards with this. That has a half sheet of dies, so that'll be $20. I have Strawberry Jude Creatures Great and Small. No dies with this one, so that's $12. Neat and Tangled Later Alligator. That one has a full sheet of dies, so that's $25. Memory Box Bunny Tea Time. Oh, so I did have one more half set with dies, so that'll be $12 as well. There's the dies there. And then this is the one where I just have one die. This is W+9 Basic Banners. So this one is going to be $8. So now we're going to jump into the dies. So for the dies, what I did was I went online and I looked up all the retail prices of the dies, and then I knocked off a couple dollars. And remember, this includes shipping as well, so it's actually even a little bit cheaper. But anyway, I'm going to jump right in. The first one is the Pretty Pink Posh Stitched Duo 1. Super cute. Love that stitching detail. This is going to be $15. Retails for $18. Then I have Pretty Pink Posh Stitched Duo 3. This one has the really cool rounded edge. It's also going to be $15. Pretty Pink Posh Stitched Banner Duo 1. Make sure to say banner because they're very similar names to the Stitch Duo 1. But this one is also going to be $15. I have the Pretty Pink Posh Peekaboo Windows with all these little cool interactive dies. This is going to be $15. Retails $18. I have the Pretty Pink Posh Stitched Borders. These retail for $15, so it'll be $12 shipped. I have W+9 Landscape Borders. These retail for $12, so they're going to be $10 shipped. I have W+9 Hey, Hi, Hello. Really cool little speech bubbles that die cut the little words inside. This one is $9 retail, so it'll be $7 shipped. I have the Memory Box Large Circle Burst. This is another one that retails for $18, so it'll be $15 shipped. Memory Box Woven Circle. This retails for $8. It'll be $6 shipped. Memory Box Snow Globe, Grand Snow Globe, sorry. This one I couldn't find anymore online, but I believe comparable is around $18, so that's going to be $15 shipped. I have the MFT Decorative Doily. This is another one that is $18, so it'll be $15 shipped. I have MFT Rolled Flower. That'll be $6 shipped. Simon Says Stamp Tri-Square. This cuts out 3 perfectly spaced windows. That's going to be $10. Retails for $13. I have Avery L. Pinked die set. This is going to be $15 shipped. Includes everything there. And then the last die set is the Avery L. Finished Frames. And this will also be $15 shipped. Everything included. Okay, so that's everything. So like I said, just leave me a comment down below with the items that you're interested in. I will send you a PayPal invoice right away from Whimsy's Jewelry Boutique. So you have 24 hours to pay. and if not, it'll go to the next person on the list, but please try to be prompt. It just makes things so much easier. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found some things that you like, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.